Hey everyone, it's Jen and I am one of the Planner Society design team members, and I wanted to come on and do an unboxing of the March kits using B6TN, and I'm super excited about this. It has this lovely, I love black and white patterns, and the bows and the florals are just so pretty, and then it has a really pretty TPS girl on the front. I'm super excited about that. We have all the amazing glitter dash bows and edgers. There are so many different colors to choose from. There's a gray glitter, a pink glitter. I would say this is like a fuchsia or like a hot pink glitter, this one. And then there's this really pretty turquoise color, a light pink, and then this kind of like iridescent blue. And then here are the glitter edgers. So much fun. I love scallops. So many to play with. So those were on sale in the Planner Society Etsy shop, and I will leave a link below. This is the washi kit right here. So this month we get this really pretty lilac floral pattern, and then we have the light blue with the swans and bows, and there is a silver foil to that. I love that. And then the skinnier washi, sorry, I have like fountain pen ink on my finger. This beautiful pink floral with the silver foil, and then this awesome black and white pattern. It's a skinny washi right there. Next, we have the Sticker Society kit. This is also another add-on to the main kit. So we have the bows and flags, and these are all silver foil. We have the days of the weeks, appointment stickers, some icons. We have some month stickers, some more bows and flags. And here's some bow checklists. I love the silver foil and the soft pastel color, so pretty. And then these headers, these like bow headers, and then some more flags. Next, we have the Box Sticker Society kit. So these full sheets can be folded and inserted into your TN if you would like. That's why they have this like not perforation, but this little cut right there, this indentation. So all of these full boxes, these checklists are EC Width and Erin Condren, sorry. And they are all silver foiled as well. Oh my goodness. I love this house and the floral pattern and the tees. We have the washi strips on top, the quarter boxes and half boxes. And then these little headers with some habit tracker boxes. Moving on to the main kit. So this month's kit came with this amazing sticker album, and I just love this pattern. And then there's a little label right there, so you can write what stickers you have inside. And it has all of these amazing pockets for you to add your stickers. Next, the main kit comes with this washi, and it has the really pretty floral pattern with silver foil. Next, we have this super cute pen with the light pastel sequins inside, and then this super cute swan enamel charm. It also comes with these foiled tabs, and they have there's so many different patterns. And then there are the stickers like next week, meal plan, monthly, follow-up, girl boss, my lists, wish list, church, happy meal, social media, today, holidays, so many stickers. And then there are the months. Love the months. Also comes with this jumbo paper clip with this amazing dangle charm. I love the little swan and the little pearls and the gold details. And then this, you can actually, if you have a ring planner, you can hang this charm from one of your rings and then it'll dangle off the side on the spine. So cute. It has the swan on there as well. Another bow charm that it comes with, so you can add this for your string TN. You can clip this onto the string and then it has the bow and then a super cute pearl with the enamel swan charm. And then if you have rings, it comes with this extender clasp. So you can add this to the top ring and then hook this onto this bottom right here. And then it can dangle off to the side on the spine. So cute. Also comes with these amazing pads, list pads, and these are sticky notes right here, and then comes with this list pad, which is it's not a sticky note, but it's just a giant list pad, and it's so cute. I love houses, so these are adorable. Chipboard pieces, they come in all of the different patterns, and this says month, notes, week, so you can make page markers, today, lists, and then this beautiful lilac metallic color. Oh, it's so, so pretty. I love this. Gorgeous. The kit comes with these scalloped adhesive pockets. So we have these smaller ones to fit any kind of size planner that you're using. We have these larger scalloped pockets, and these are adhesive, so you can add them to your dashboards or the inside of your planner. It also comes with these extra die cuts, and look how fun these are. These are all in the houses that Christy drew, and we have this light blue, light pink, and then there's this acetate. Oh, I'm obsessed with these. So, so adorable. Oh, I really love the big ones. So fun, right? These are so cute. Comes with these really pretty purple lilac edgers and glitter bows so that you can make dividers, or you can just decorate your dashboards. And then we also have these adhesive words. This month's kit also comes with puffy stickers. I love embellishing my scrapbook pages or my dashboards with puffy stickers. So, so cute. Next, we have all the papers. They are 8.5 by 11 and they are double-sided, and I will show you the A and B side. This paper it kind of has this like black metallic specialty foil to it. It's so fun. I love that. So pretty. And then here is this. Love those patterns, so pretty. And then we have the swans and floral. And then it also comes with this specialty paper. It's a lace 8.5 by 11 sheet. Vellum. This actually has rose gold metallic on it. So pretty. Hope you can see that metallic. And here's another acetate, black and white. And then another rose gold acetate. So pretty. The kit also comes with a pack of die cuts, and we'll go through the die cuts now. That is the unboxing of the whole kit and the add-ons. I will leave links below if you guys are interested in signing up. Please let me know if you have any questions, and thanks so much for watching. Bye.